Welcome to the 9th video in the SaaS SCADA configuration training series. This video will present the downloaded base files and demonstrate how to import them into the ActionNet project. The base files are named according to the bay typology registered in the base project, containing the configurations of the devices module for each bay model. We recommend that the default settings be maintained and any necessary changes be made after importing the database into the project. As an example, we have the base file for the lines. The name of the template is corresponding to the bay in the base project, found in Edit, Tags, Templates. As property of channels, we have the fields Protocol, Protocol Options, and Timeout. The properties of nodes include the following fields: Tag for communication status, Primary station, and Backup station. Since this is a template file for each bay type, we use mnemonics for the fields that are unique, for example, IP, port, and slave ID. During import, these mnemonics are replaced by the parameters configured for each piece of equipment in the equipment file. Having completed the analysis of a simple base file, another one that should be explored is the equipments file. This file contains the individual information for each ID. You can open the file with Excel for better viewing and understanding. Here, the first line corresponds to the header, distinguished by starting with slashes. The remaining lines should contain the following structure, with the parameters separated by commas. For new channels, the name must include the word new. If the channel already exists or has been declared in the previous line, this is not necessary. All of these fields must be filled in as defined in the database file. Now, let's offer a brief explanation of each field in the header. The ID name is the name of the ID. Level is the object level. Type, name of the base file without the prefix def. ID address is the slave ID, but in IEC 61850 protocol it can be disregarded. The channel name of the communication channel to be created. IP, the IP address of the ID. Port is the communication port number with the ID. IP backup is the IP address of the ID. Port backup, communication port number with the ID. Server node, name of the server node if any. After configuring the files, it is necessary to use the tool Project Importer. But before running the tool, it is necessary to create categories for each ID to be imported. Go to Run, Dictionaries, Categories, and create a category for each ID following this model, node underscore name of the ID. Next, go to Run, Extensions, Import, and click on Project Importer. In the Import window, under Configuration File, select the Equipments file and click on Execute. Wait until the message Finishing appears and click OK to close the window. Close the project and reopen it for the data to be loaded. After importing, the following adjustment needs to be made to project's measurement history table. Access Edit, Tags, Historian. Cut out the records from the table and glue them back together. In this video, the base files were presented and the steps to import them into the ActionNet project. In the next video, we will configure the project after importing, adapting it to your specific scenario. See you then, thanks for watching.